Alright, this is first map, standoff. I'm already dead. I already put it in like middle of like last round. I think this is last round. Yeah, it is. This is straight off a theater. It's against purr and furr. Alright, here we go. Let's get on my teammate right here. Bucks. Alright. This is the score right now, 5-3.
You'll have that up there?
Alright, there's the last guy right there. He just clutched the 1v2 all by himself. Slow that down. Alright, there you go, game. See, and then they start to quit. You see right there. Show that scoreboard up. Alright, there we go. There's the scoreboard right there. First map. I got second map coming up, cargo.